Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Subway Surfers code. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To redeem your Subway Surfers code, you can do it either using an iPhone or Android device. Open up a web browser to get started. In my case, I'm gonna open up my Safari since I'm using an iPhone. You can open up any other web browser as well. In the web address bar, type in subwaysurfers.com/redeem and press go. Once you end up in this main homepage of Subway Surfers redeem code, go ahead and enter your code in the text box. Make sure to type in the same code you would want to redeem and tap on the claim reward button in order to redeem your Subway Surfers code using your mobile device. Remember that in order to redeem your code, you will not be able to do it on your PC since you'll need your mobile device, whether it is an iPhone or Android device, and you also need to have Subway Surfers installed on your device in order to redeem the code. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.